Hello everyone, this is Pawan Kumar Rohila, PGT Computer Science, KV Chamira number 2, NHPC. Students, today we are going to start a new topic, that is data communication technologies. Students, this topic is from your second unit, communication and networking, right? So in this topic, the objective of this topic is to understand the concept of data communication and technology, to give a detailed overview of different terms used in data communication, to explain the importance of data communication and technology, right? In this topic, we will cover the following contents. First of all, we will talk about the concept of data channel, that is the medium, and then after we will see data transfer rates, what are the data transfer rates, and then finally we will talk about the bandwidth of a channel, right? So students, let's start from the first one, that is concept of data channel. Students, tell me, what is the meaning of data channel? Why we use this term? You have heard so many times the channel when we use the different devices of network. Nowadays it's become a common term, right? So बताइए, what is the meaning of data channel? Yes, exactly. A data channel is nothing but it's a source or medium through which the signals or data is being transmitted from one device to another. It's a common term. Right? Data channel can be of two types, students. First one is guided media, next one is unguided media. Okay, so let's see the first one, that is the guided media. स्टूडेंट बताइए बच्चों, what is the meaning of guided media? Yes, exactly. In guided media, the different devices are connected to each other with the help of wires, or we can say the devices are connected physically, right? That's why we generally termed it as bounded media. Okay बच्चों, तो guided media में devices are connected physically with the help of different wires, and generally we use different type of wires in guided media, that are twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and fiber optic cable. And students, in these media, these cables, the fiber optic cable is the fastest one, right? Its frequency is very high out of the twisted pair cable and coaxial cable, right? But it is very expensive, right? Next one is unguided media. Okay बच्चों, as the name suggests, it is the type of media that is not guided, or we can say in which the devices are not connected physically to each other, right? So we can say the devices are connected without wire, or it represents the wireless transmission. Okay students, in unguided media, the air is the media through which the electromagnetic energy can flow easily, right? So in case of unguided media, generally the signal are transmitted through waves. Okay, it can be of several types like radio waves, microwaves and satellite communication. Okay students, so basically in this topic we will focus the different data transfer rates and their measuring units, different terminologies that we generally use while we are transmitting the information over a particular data channel. So students, let's see the next topic, that is data transfer rate. Okay students, as the name suggests, it denotes the amount of data transferred per second by a communication channel, right? तो डेटा ट्रांसफ़र रेट डिनोट्स करता है हाउ मच डेटा इज बीइंग ट्रांसमिटेड बाय अ कम्युनिकेशन चैनल, राइट? जनरली क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स, डेटा ट्रांसफ़र रेट रिप्रेजेंट करता है सम मेजरिंग यूनिट्स को. अब डेटा जनरली बच्चों एनालॉग सिग्नल्स के फॉर्म में भी ट्रांसमिट होता है और डिजिटल फॉर्म में भी, राइट? तो इस तरीके से इसकी मेजरिंग यूनिट्स के बारे में वी विल टॉक अबाउट दैट वन. सो इट कैन बी ऑफ सेवरल टाइप्स लाइक BPS, KBPS, MBPS and GBPS, like and so on. So let us see the different measuring units, right, that we use while we transfer the data over the communication channel. So first of all, let's see the BPS and BPS. Here students, you are seeing on the screen, I have used the small and capital letters to differentiate these two terms, right? And in fact they have separate meaning. In case of small BPS, it represents bits per second, right? And in case of capital B, it represents bytes per second, that is the collection of 8 bits. It means कि when we denotes the BPS, it represents the bytes per second, okay? And in case of small BPS, it represents the bits per second, okay? And generally small BPS, it represents the speed of phone lines or modem. Similarly, here you can see I have used two different terms in each and every measuring units, as you can see with KBPS, right, MBPS, right? So here small KBPS represent the kilobits per second and generally represent the transfer of 1024 bits per second, right? And in case of KBPS, capital K, it represents the kilobytes per second and generally represents the transfer of 1024 bytes per second. And right, तो डिफ्रेंशिएट करने के लिए स्मॉल एंड कैपिटल लेटर को यूज़ किया जाता है, राइट? तो ये हमें चीज़ ध्यान रखनी है बच्चों, स्मॉल और कैपिटल लेटर हैव सेपरेट मीनिंग. सिमिलरली इन केस ऑफ MBPS, you can see small m and capital M, the same funda is here. It stands for megabits per second, small m, and capital M represent the megabytes per second, right? In first case, it represents the transfer of 1024 kilobits per second, and in case of capital M, it represents the transfer of 1024 kilobytes per second, okay? And the next one is GBPS and TBPS. Same case is here students. Small g represents the both gigabits per second and capital G represents the gigabytes per second. In first case, it represents the transfer of 1024 megabits per second, and in second case, it represents the transfer of 1024 megabytes per second, right? Similarly student, TBPS के साथ भी वैसे ही है. It first one, small t represent the terabits per second and the capital T represent the terabytes per second, right? And both represent the transfer of 1024 gigabits per second and transfer of 1024 gigabytes per second. Okay students? Okay. Next, the next topic is in data communication technology is bandwidth. आपने कई बार बच्चों इसका नाम सुना होगा, बैंडविड्थ. इट्स अ कॉमन टर्म बिकॉज नाउ डेज एवरीवन इज यूजिंग मोबाइल फ़ोन, राइट? हम कई बार न्यूज़पेपर आर्टिकल्स में भी पढ़ते हैं, राइट? तो बैंडविड्थ इज व्हाट, बताइए, व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ बैंडविड्थ? एग्जैक्टली, बैंडविड्थ रिप्रेजेंट द कैपेसिटी ऑफ अ चैनल, कि हाउ मच